Okay, we're doing a fitment for a Cadillac Escalade. This is a 2023 model. Four-wheel Escalade, four-wheel premium luxury. Okay, and then go to the front here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the two screws underneath. They're 4.2 by 25 using a Torx 15 ratchet and socket. Okay, we're going to take those two screws out. Okay, now you're going to get your base plate. And you can take your first screw and there, put it back through the base plate, and
this is the factory screw we just removed.
Yeah. And you're going to get it started. You don't want to tighten it down. Get it. Now you're going to take the other screw, go ahead and get that one started, and now you can tighten them down. Snug them up, and yeah, so that base plate should be on there nice and secure. If it's loose in any way, then something's not right. So you got to make sure that it's should be nice and solid there. Now you're going to take your front plate, you're going to line the rods, and then you're going to locate the pull pin off to the right here, and then it's going to push in and then lock in. And that's all there is to this fitment. Should be about 1/4 of an inch off the bumper there. And then there's your front. And your license plate will go there. That's it.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.